What up? It's your boy Steven.
And Kessa.
It is uniquely weird. And today we'll be reacting to A&E Court Cam. Personal injury attorney curses a lot. Make his point. Okay.
Are we gonna hear a lot of bleeps?
I didn't actually even read this. I just clicked it because I seen it was a court cam video. But y'all know how we do with court cams. Let's get it.
Next, we're in Las Vegas, Nevada for a personal injury case. The plaintiff, 19-year-old Ty Cirillo, is suing a delivery driver and a fast food chain for their alleged involvement in a serious traffic accident. According to the police report, the delivery driver was making a left turn and failed to yield to Cirillo, who was riding a motorcycle. Cirillo suffered severe injuries, including a crushed pelvis and fractured back, that left him unlikely to ever walk again. Now, Cirillo's seeking $48 million in damages. But first, his lawyer, Robert Eglett, has to defend his client's own driving. He argues that specific language used by a witness to describe his client's driving prior to the accident is overly prejudicial.
Driving like a, I'm going to say it if it's okay with the court, okay? I mean, I want a record to be clear.
No, because if it comes in, it's going to be in whichever
Driving like an okay, what does that mean? No one knows what that means. He should be testifying of what he observed and what he heard about his senses, not his internal thinking.
Eglett then tries to break down the various ways the A word could potentially be interpreted.
And means different things to different people. Judge, driving like an but to members of the jury, they could mean they could grab all kinds of interpretations, have self-interpretations of what that really means.
What does driving like an a-hole means? Being stupid.
It usually means you're being a douchebag. What's the best description? So let's say you're trying to get over, and there's a guy, that has some space, but he speeds up and he blocks you out on purpose. That's driving like an a-hole.
Regardless, he's not driving like a normal person, like a considerate human being.
Yeah, he's not.
So whatever this lawyer is trying to, what am I trying to say? He's trying to downplay, his a-hole driving is as described by the witness. He's like, what does that even mean, Judge? I mean,
it could mean anything. Driving like
he wasn't driving normal.
He could just be driving fast. I mean, now he's breaking the law still. He's like,
is he talking about, well, he thought he was too close to him when he passed him, so he thought he was an asshole for doing that?
To further emphasize his point, the attorney swears by a personal story.
Look, the neighborhood that I grew up here in Las Vegas, as kids, look, our vernacular, we use the word in every sentence, and everybody did in the neighborhood. And somebody could say, he's driving like a well, that doesn't mean anything.
And if the point wasn't clear enough yet,
you could say he's driving like a he's driving like a what does that mean? And
he said a kid.
It's a characterization. It's his own personal, I think he's that's what it means. He perceives him as being an asshole, and that is a characterization, and it's entirely improper, and it's unnecessary for him.
I see you trying.
So funny.
He's like, I'm gonna figure out a way to defend this, and driving like an a-hole could mean this. He could just mean he's a good driver, and we don't like the fact that he's a good driver.
And to testify about what he saw and heard, which is what he should be testifying, not making value judgments that, in his opinion, somebody's driving like an
the witness's foul-mouthed description of the plaintiff's driving ultimately wouldn't have an impact on the outcome of the case. 3 weeks into trial, the franchise settled out of court with Ty Cirillo for an undisclosed amount.
Thanks for being a fan of court.
Made an a-hole of himself in court with all that cussing.
Yeah, now the judge is like, goodness gracious, what kind of lawyer did this guy hire? You're like, what? Like, why? Yeah, nah, he's getting the ticket, sir. Sorry.
He got some money. So.
He's getting sued. Sorry, defendant. But yeah, y'all let us know what y'all think about this lawyer and his driving like an a-hole. What do y'all think driving like an a-hole is? Let us know down below, please.
Was his argument valid? Like, because I feel like it wasn't. He was trying real bad. But
he was reaching.
Yeah.
Too much.
He was reaching on the top shelf.
Top shelf for sure. Y'all comment, like, subscribe. Let us know what y'all think. We're on the road to 400 subs. Let's get it.
Let's go.
Peace.
Bye.